What would really happen if the moon hit Earth? Imagine a night sky where the moon looms impossibly large. Not a comforting presence, but a terrifying harbinger of doom. What if our celestial companion, the moon, were on a collision course with Earth? It's a scenario ripped from science fiction, but let's explore the science behind this cataclysmic event. Forget gentle tides and romantic moonlight. We're talking planetary annihilation. As the moon begins its descent, the effects would be subtle at first. Tides would become extreme, dwarfing anything we've ever witnessed. Coastal cities would be submerged, redrawn by monstrous waves. Earthquakes would become commonplace, triggered by the moon's increasing gravitational pull. Volcanic eruptions would darken the sky, adding to the growing chaos. As the moon gets closer, it would begin to break apart. The Earth's gravity would tear at its structure, creating a debris field of colossal proportions. These fragments, ranging in size from pebbles to mountains, would enter our atmosphere. The sky would be ablaze with fireballs, a constant barrage of meteors. The heat generated by these impacts would be intense, igniting wildfires across the globe. The impact itself would be unimaginably devastating. The energy released would be equivalent to billions of nuclear bombs detonating simultaneously. A shock wave would ripple outwards, flattening everything in its path. The Earth's crust would rupture, sending molten rock and ash into the atmosphere. The sky would be filled with debris, blocking out the sun and plunging the planet into darkness. The immediate aftermath would be a global extinction event. The impact would vaporize everything within a vast radius. The remaining life on Earth would face a gauntlet of unimaginable horrors. Tsunamis thousands of feet high would scour the coastlines. The atmosphere would be choked with dust and ash, leading to a prolonged impact winter. The Earth's rotation would be drastically altered, potentially leading to days lasting only a few hours. The planet's shape would be deformed, a permanent scar from the cosmic collision. In the long term, the debris from the impact could coalesce to form a new moon, or perhaps a ring system around the Earth. But the Earth we know would be gone, replaced by a desolate wasteland. Thankfully, the moon is not on a collision course with Earth. Its orbit is stable, and scientists can predict its position with incredible accuracy. However, the universe is a chaotic place. Asteroids and comets pose a constant threat, and the long-term stability of any celestial body is never guaranteed. While the moon hitting Earth is highly improbable, it serves as a stark reminder of the forces at play in the cosmos. It highlights the fragility of life and the importance of planetary defense. By studying these hypothetical scenarios, we can better understand the risks we face and develop strategies to protect our planet from future threats. The universe is a beautiful, but dangerous place.